Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on high contrast mode on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and then you want to select Settings. Select the personalization tile on the left, and then on the right side you want to select colors. Go ahead and left click on that, and then scroll down again where it says contrast themes. Go ahead and left click on that. You can also search for contrast themes in the search as well, and where it says contrast themes, go ahead and click inside the drop down here, and you have a few different options for high contrast themes, and then you'll select apply. And then again, that should be pretty much it. You can change between the different options there, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.